So guys, in today's video, we are building a Netflix clone using React and JavaScript. So see this video start to end because this is our latest version 2024. In this year nobody built this type of clone in React and JavaScript. So I will be build it for you. So please like this video, share with friends, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And I tell you all things step by step how to build Netflix clone using JavaScript and React. And see the video start to end. If you do not see this video start to end, you have problems with your code, okay? And tell me that how is my performance is going, how is my editing, how is my terminal, okay? Tell me that. And now let's go to the computer screen and let's see how to build the Netflix clone using JavaScript and React. And so sorry, I forgot it is also our responsive Netflix clone using JavaScript and React. So now I do not take a long time. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing.
Guys, we are building this Netflix UI clone using React and JavaScript and CSS like you are seeing, and it is very beautiful. Like there's Eric and like 7000.2024 first season, and here watch button that is hovering also, and here generate ROM mystery watch. Here you can see it. Now when you click onto the watch, you will become onto the Netflix official page. Here you can see it. Okay, now we are come on here. Now let me show you into the responsive. It is also the responsive Netflix clone, like it is fully responsive. And when you click on, this is a navbar of this Netflix clone, and here first of all the Netflix logo button like you have seen, and there is a logo of this emoji. When you click here, so the movies will be changed. Okay, here you can see Cobra Kai. Now when you click to here, the movies will be changed. Here you can see it. And in responsive, let me show you, it is also in change. So now let's come on tree down, and here is a Netflix originals. First of all, I show you like that, and when you click here, so it will be moving forward. Here you can see it, and now here you can click, it is moving backward. Now here's Netflix originals. Now here is suggest for you, and then when you here click, so it is moving forward. Then here you click backward. Top rated movies are also here like that, and here you can see it. Action movies are also here, and there's backward sorry, comedy movies are also here, horror movies and romance movies and documentary movies. There are all movies here, you can see it. And there's a footer. Here you can write your name, made with by your name. Okay, you will be right. I write Ryan, made with by Ryan. And now let me show you in responsive. Here you can see it. It is moving forward and it is moving backward, forward, backward. And the source code is in the description. Okay, now let's start to build it, and let's move to the computer screen and let's see how to build it. So first of all, we are coming to our computer screen. So first of all, let me tell you how to build it. First of all, let me show you what this is my file of Seric. Like this is all my files, and here public index. This is my file. So now I'm using a Visual Studio Code. If you do not have Visual Studio Code, download it. How to download it? Let me tell you. Go on to the Google, search here Visual Studio Code. When you search here Visual Studio Code, click on to the first link. And when you click on to the first link, there's coming like this one drop down like Windows, Mac or Linux. So if you are on Mac, download on Mac. If you are on Windows, download on Windows. I know most of the people are on the Windows, and if you are on a Linux, to download on Linux. Okay, and I am on the Windows. I already downloaded. I do not download it another time. And there's a new version is available of Visual Studio Code 1.90, and my version is very old, so do not make it serious like his version is old and our version is new. Okay, now let's go to the Visual Studio Code. When I go on to the Visual Studio Code, I make a new window, and this type of interface will become. And in your Visual Studio Code, if you are downloading now, so your Visual Studio Code should be changed. Okay, because they come to the new version, that's why. Now I'm dragging drop my files onto my Visual Studio Code. Now let's start to write a code. First of all, app.css. How to write the app.css codes? Let me tell you. And how? Let me tell you. Just wait a moment. There's some code of app.css. First of all, we make box sizing should be border box. Body, I'm giving like background color. Background color should be #111. Color, I'm giving #FFF. Then margin, I'm giving 0. Font family, I'm giving like Roboto, comma, sans serif. Now let me tell you what you can do. Now, when you write like that, so let me tell you what you can do. A should be color, white, text, decoration, none, dot lists, margin top, -150 pixels, dot loading, position shall be fixed, then left should be 0, top should be 0, right should be 0, bottom should be 0, z index should be 99, background color should be #000. Now when your work is done till here, so now let me tell you what you can do. Background color should be 000, enter. Display flex, justify content should be center, align item should be center. Align item center means your things are aligned into the centers. Okay, now save from here. Now come on to the app.js file. Okay, now let's start to write the app.js file codes. Import React, comma, bracket, use effect, comma, use state, then from React. Now here we can write like import header, and I'm not showing you a interface like I'm writing a coding and I'm showing you that is built. In the last, I will see you the interface what we built to write this code. Okay, in the last of the video I show you what we will. /comment components /header. Now import footer from ./components/footer. Footer F should be capital. Okay, now import cd row from single comma ./components/cd row. Okay, and this, and now again we write like import featured cd from ./component/featured cd. Okay, now import get home list, comma, get movie or cd info from ./services/services. Import /app.css. Import Netflix loading from, then single comma again, then ./assist/Netflix, then this loading, then this GIF, then this. Now when your work is done till here, so now let me tell you what you can do. Right here, export default function app A should be must be in capital, then const bracket cd list, comma, set cd list, use state then bracket in it, then this, then again const feature it data comma set feature it data use state null. Now what you can do, copy it, paste it like that, erase this null, write here false. Then what you can do, erase this, write select black header, erase this, write black header. And this Visual Studio Code is very good when in your code there is something error, so it will automatically tell you there is an error in this code, so that's why I like Visual Studio Code. Okay, now it is giving me the error somewhere. Let me see where. Use state false. Okay, where it is giving me the error. Okay, first of all, we now start to writing a code. Use effect should be, let me tell you what is it. Enter press. Now what you can do, enter press. Now let me tell you what you can do. You write like here const load all. What? Const load all we can write here. Then slash, then async, then bracket, then let list await get home list, then set Siri list. Then now here we can write like let originals list dot filter I dot slug originals. Then in here we can write like I also, because original spelling is ORIGINALS, that's why. Let random choosing, okay, choosing math dot floor, then math dot random, then again this, then star, then originals, then bracket 0 dot item. This is very big code, okay, exactly, items dot results dot length -1. Okay, then this. Okay, now let me tell you what you can do. Here we can write like let choosing originals, then 0 dot items dot results, then random choosing, then let choosing info, then await get movie or series info. Now here we can write like choosing dot id comma single comma then TV set feature it data choosing info load all, then single comma, then this, then this, then this. Okay, what? Okay, I understand what is that. What we can do, we comma here, space, this, then this. Now, when your work is done till here, enter press, use effect, and here we can write like this, then enter. Then const scroll listener. Okay. Now here we can write like this, bracket, if then window dot scrolly should be 10. Set black header to, then here we can write like else set black header should be false, then enter press, then window dot add event listener scroll comma scroll listener return, then here we can write like this, window dot remove event listener, then scroll comma scroll listener. Then when we write like that, so now let me tell you what you can do. You write like here comma, then this, again this type of bracket, then here, then return. In return what we can write, let me tell you, div class name should be page header black bracket black header, then feature it data, and then sorry we have this, and then enter, then this, then feature it data cd, enter item feature it data, enter press. Okay. Now section class name should be lists, double commas, enter press. Now what you can do, write here cd list dot map should be item comma index, then here we can write like space, then now we can write here this, not this, then enter press. Then now when you write like that, here you can write like cd row, then key index title item dot title items item dot items. Then here we can write like enter footer, now we are writing enter press. Now in footer, first of all what you can do, let me tell you, write like here cd list dot length, then here we can write like this, then we write like 0 and then enter press. Div class name should be loading. Double comma here we can write, not single comma. Okay, enter. Image Serix will be Netflix loading. Alt should be loading. Then now when our work is done till here, so now we erase that. Div, then here we can enter press. Erase this all thing. Now this. Okay. Now when our work is done, so what we can do, we write like here that footer F shall be in capital. We write like const okay, comma, okay. So why it is giving me the error into the here? Const all things, perfect. We close here bracket, one bracket, okay. Then here we can also close a bracket. Then here we also close a bracket. Then here we can write like this header H will be in capital. And here we can write like this. Then we write like that. Then cd row, okay. Class list, footer, okay. Now it is not giving me the error, like here you can see it. Now when we done save from here, if it's giving you the error, so now let me tell you what you can do here. app.js, okay, not giving, now it's giving. What is that? So now we will see it into add to the end, index.js file. Now let's come on to the index.js file. Here we can write like import react from single comma react, import react DOM spelling should be in capital, then single comma react / DOM, then import app from single comma dot / app react DOM dot render, then this enter, then react dot strict mode, then enter, then app, then this, then erase this. Okay, now what you can do, you write like here comma, then document D should be in small letter, get element ID by ID, then single comma root. Okay, save from here. Now our work is done, but it is giving me the error here. What is the error in here? It is not showing the error. Why is that? So now we see it into the last here. Here it is giving me the error where I am writing like assist Netflix loading GIF. In here we can, it is giving me the error. Netflix loading. Okay. We write like here this. Now it is not giving me the error. Okay. Now we come on to our service.js file. Where? Service.js file. Now in here we write like const API base URL https dot this / API dot the movie db.org/3. Then do like that. Const API key this, then we write like this, process.env.react app tmb db, okay, then key, then that const basic facts async endpoint should be that, then const rec await fetch, then this, then $, then here we can write like this, then API, then base URL, then we write like that endpoint const JSON await rec dot JSON, then now here we can write like return JSON export async function get home list, return should be this, then enter, then slug, then originals, okay, comma, then title again, in title we write like here this Netflix originals, comma again, items await basic fetch should be, here we can write like this /discover /TV question mark with this net words, then this 213 and we write like that, then API should be, let me tell you, API should be key, okay, API key, then $, where is $? Yeah, here, then this API key, then now here we can write like that. Now what you can do, comma here, and then again here slug, now what you can do, let me tell you, copy paste slug top rated, okay, top rated not, here we can write like trending, and here we can write like Netflix originals, okay, I only write original by the mistake, no, here we can write like that, okay. Now what you can do, erase it, suggestions for you, erase this originals, okay. Now when your work is done, so erase this trending all /week question mark erase it question mark API key, okay. Now API key is perfect when we write like that. So now let me tell you what you can do. API key, okay. Now what we can paste it again, Okay, now here we can write like slug should be top rated, and here we can write like top rated. Await, then this, then here we can erase this. Movie top rated, then erase this all thing, only write this API key. Okay, now when our work is done till here, so now let me tell you what you can do. Now we define like action. Okay, enter press, paste it. Slug, in slug we write like action. Then here we can write like action again. Then movie, erase it, networks, erase this, right here generation, and then here we can write like 28. Okay, API key. Now perfect. Now when our work is done till here, so now let me tell you what you can do. You can do same as thing in comedy. Okay, sorry. Okay, now in here what you can do, you write like here comedy, erase it, write here comedy. Okay, basic fat, await, discovered, movie with generation. Then here we can write like generation should be 35. Okay, now it is perfect. API key. Now copy it, paste it again, erase it like horror, like here also horror. Come forward, here you can erase this 27, and now enter press, right here and okay, here we can also write like that. Now discover movie with generation 99. Okay, now when your work is done, paste it again. Sorry, 10749. Here we can write like 10749. Here we can write like 99. And here we can write like documentary. Copy it, paste it. Now, when our work is done till here, so comma, then this, then nothing. Now, when our work is done till here, we can write like export as YNC, then function, then get movie or CD info, ID, comma, type, let info, then this, then if, here we can write like in gap ID, switch type, case, movie. Okay, now what we can do, info, await, basic fetch, then this slash movie slash, then this is then bracket ID, question mark, API key, then this, then dollar sign, then API key. What you can do, we can write like that. Okay, now here you can copy it, paste it, and in here you can write like break. Okay, what you can write? You can write like break. Okay, now when your work is done till here, erase this movie, write TV. Okay, and here you can write like ID API key. Okay, nice. Now again you do same thing else. Here we can paste it, break. Okay, in here we write like here default. Sorry, in here we can write okay. Here we can write like break. Here we can write like default info null break, like that. Now when our work is done till here, so now let me tell you what you can do. Enter press return info. Okay, now we come when our service code is also done, so we come on to our component feature.css. okay, components, where is components? Yes, where it is that? Yeah, now let's start to write of code. Feature it dot feature it, then height 100 vh, background size cover, then background position should be center, dot feature it slash vertical should be width inherit, height inherit, background should be linear gradient, should be to top, comma hashtag 111, 10%, comma transparent 90%, dot feature it slash horizontal width inherit, height inherit, background should be linear gradient to right, comma hashtag 111, 30%, comma transparent 70%. Display flags, flag direction column, and justify content should be center. Padding left should be 30 pixels. Padding bottom 150 pixels. Padding top 70 pixels. Dot feature it. Name should be font size 60 pixels. Font weight bold. Dot feature it slash info. Enter press. Font size 18 pixels. Font weight bold. Margin top 15 pixels. Dot feature it slash vote should be average. Dot feature it slash year, comma dot feature it slash seasons. Then display should be inline block. Margin right 15 pixels. Then dot feature it slash vote average. Color hashtag 46D369. Dot feature it slash description. Margin top 15 pixels. Font size 20 pixels. Color hashtag 999. Max width should be 40%. dot feature it slash buttons, margin top 15 pixels, dot feature it slash watch slash button, inline block. Then font size I am giving like 20 pixels. Okay. Font weight should be bold. Padding I am giving 10-20 pixels. I forgot to write pixels. Okay. Border radius 5 pixels. Text decoration should be none. Margin right 10 pixels. Opacity 1. Transition all easy 0.2 seconds. Dot feature it watch slash button hover opacity 0.7. Dot feature it watch slash button background color hashtag FFF color hashtag 000. Enter press. Now here we can write like dot feature it generate margin top 15 pixel, font size 18 pixels, color hashtag 999. Now let me convert it into the responsive. First of all we write like media, then max width 760 pixels, dot feature it height 90 vh, dot feature it slash name, font size 40 pixels, dot feature it info, font size 16 pixels. Now here we can write like dot feature it description, font size 14 pixels, max width here we can write like 100%, and then margin right will be 30 pixels. Dot feature it buttons, feature it watch button, font size 16 pixels, dot feature it generate font size 14 pixels. Now come on to our index.js file. Okay, now let's start to write the index.js file. Now first of all we write like import react from react, import dot slash feature cd dot css. Feature f should be must be in small letter. Okay, now export default slash function. Okay, default function feature it cd, then here we can write like item base image URL, then here we can write like https / image.tmdb.org/t/p/original let first data date new date item dot first air date let generate then this for let I in item dot generate dot push item dot generate dot name. Okay, let description slash item dot overview if description dot length then 200 description dot substring 0, 200 plus this single comma dot dot dot. Then do like that. Now when our work is done till here, so now let me tell you what you can do. Enter press, again enter press, return, enter. Section, here we can write like now section, okay. First of all we erase it. I know it will giving the error, but in the last the errors will be solved, okay. Feature it, style, style should be background, image, this URL is, and then this $sign, then this, then paste image URL, then $sign, item dot backdrop, then path. Now when our work is done till here, so now let me tell you what you can do. Here we can, now work is done, we will be enter press, then where is that, okay, we erase it. Now let's start to write a code. Div class name should be feature it slash vertical, div class name feature it slash horizontal, div class name feature it slash name item dot original name, enter. Div class name shall be featured info, div class name feature is vote average, enter. Then here we can write like item dot vote average points, then div again class name feature it slash year, first date dot get fully year, enter press. Then div class name feature it slash seasons, then item dot number of seasons, and then item dot number of seasons, one. And now what you can do, comma, sorry, this question mark, then seasons, okay. Now seasons, then we write like this, then space again, then single comma, then here we can write like seasons, okay. Now here we can, when we can write like that, so now my work is done. So we write like here, okay. Now we copy it like that, paste it. Here we can write like picture it description, and now here we can erase it description. Now when our work is done till here, again paste it like that, feature it buttons, and in that here in this case what you can do, let me tell you, erase this whole thing. First you write like A. In A you can write like href. In href you write like this bracket. In this bracket you write like that, then dollar sign, then you write like again bracket, then item dot home page, then what you can do, again space from here, class name you give, feature it slash watch slash again and again watch, then you write like here button, then when you write like button, so what you can do, here you can write like this, notice, you write like here watch. Okay, when you write like here watch, so what you can do here, you can again paste it like that, feature it here, erase here, write generate when you write, so erase that, strong generates, then bracket generates dot join, then here we can write like this, single comma, then here we can write like this comma. Okay, now your work is done till here. Now here you can see it, and it is give you the error. Why? Let me tell you. Now it not give you the error. Okay, and something where this is the error. Okay, where it is giving me the error? Here. Okay, let's see it. Here it is giving me the error. So let's see how to solve it and why it is giving me the error into the here, into here, background URL. Okay, this bracket, okay, style section, okay, here we can erase it. Okay, now it is not giving me the error. Here you can see it. Now it is giving the error. What is that? Yeah, now it is not giving me the, okay, I understand. Erase that, then write that. So now here you can see it. It is not giving me the error now. Now we come on to the footer.css. Oh no, I by the mistake I closed my Visual Studio Code, but I open it another time. Okay, now let's start to write the footer.css code. Okay, first of all we close that footer, then footer.css. In footer.css there is some codes like margin 50 pixels, then 0, and obviously text align will be center. Okay, now when your work is done, so now let's come on to the index.js files, and index.js file, let's come on to here, and now here we can write like import react, then enter press, import dot slash footer.css, this export default function footer, return, enter, footer this, enter. Here we can write like made with span rule, img area slash label should be heart. And now here we can go on to the Google. Here we can write like heart icon. Where is that? Okay, where is that? Let's come on to the here. It is opening. Okay. Google heart. How we can copy it? Let's see. Okay, now we not copy it like that. We come on to the here we can go heart. This website heart icon images. Only we copy it. How? Where is that? Okay, copy it, then paste it. Icon is not come, only transparent is come. Now from the here we can copy it. Yeah. Now icon is come. Now here we can write like question mark. Then here we can write like by Ryan Bake. Okay, here you can write like your own name. Okay, either your own choice what you have to write here. Okay, I write like Ryan Bake, BR tag, BR, enter press. Here we can write like all image rights reserved for Netflix. All data recovered from href in href https://www.themoviedb.org then here we can write like the moviedb.org. Then here we can write like API. Now, when our work is done till here, so first of all we save from here. Then here we can write like header.css codes now, and the header.css code are also very some. Okay. Now let's start to write header. Position should be fixed. Z index should be 99. Top should be 0. Left should be 0. Right 0. Height 70 pixels. Padding 30 pixels. And now display flex. Justify content should be space between. Align item center. Background should be transparent. Transition should be all. Easy 0.5 seconds. Header dot black. Background color hashtag 141414. Enter. Then header dot header slash logo height 25 pixels dot header slash logo img height 100% dot header slash user height 35 pixels dot header slash user img height 100%. Border radius will be 3 pixels. Save from here. Then now let's start to write like index.js code. Okay, there are some codes of index.js React. Okay, now here we can write like import Netflix logo. Okay, now how to import the Netflix logo? Let me tell you all of that from then dot dot slash ss, enter press. Then here we can write like Netflix logo dot png, and the source code description I tell you one more time. User Netflix from dot slash ss slash user Netflix dot png. Import dot slash header dot css. Export default function header black, return header, we can write header class name black. Here we can write like black, then here we can write like this, then enter. Then div class name header slash logo, enter. A shall be href slash, enter. Enter. img should be erased, image Sherik, Netflix logo. Okay, logo L should be, must be in capital. Alt should be Netflix slash logo. Now, when your work is done, write another div class name header slash user. A should be href hash slash. Okay, enter press. img, erase it, and now img we write like here header user img Sherik user Netflix, alt should be or should be user, then do like that. There's some mistake, it is giving me the mistake. Identify expected unexpected token, did you mean that? Okay, now we erase it. Now it is, error should be gone. Now we write like that, and now whenever work is done today, so now let me see what is now we can write. Okay, it is giving me the error into the here, like return that. What type of error it is giving me? This. In bracket also it is giving me the error. Header div and a image a come up header. Okay, we write like that, then this, then this, then we do like that, we write like that, and we here also write like that. Now it is not giving me the error. Now we CD row. Now we write, let's just start to write a CD row codes. Now we completed our header codes. Now we write like CD row codes, index.js file. So now let me tell you what you can do. So now let's start to write this code. Import React, comma, use state from React, import, then single comma dot slash cd row dot css, import navigate before icon from @material UI icon / navigate before. Okay, now when our work is done, we write like here, we first of all copy it, then paste it, erase this before, write here next, navigate, erase this before, write here next, enter press. Export default function cd row title comma items const scroll x comma set scroll x use state 0 const handle left arrow, then space from here, then this, then let x / scroll x plus math dot round window dot inner width /2 if then x then this then 0 then x then 0 then this, then set scroll x, then x should be that, const handle right arrow, then this, then this, then this, then this. Now when our work is done till here, so now we write like let x scroll x should be minus math dot round window dot inner width /2 let list w items dot results length *150 if window dot inner width list w x will be then window dot inner width / list w minus 60 set scroll x should be x. Now return div class name should be cd row double comma cd row h2 title, then do like that. Now when our work is done, here we can span console.log items, then this, then do like that. Now when our work is done till here, so now let me tell you what you can do. Write here div class name cd row / left on click should be handle left arrow navigate before icon style font size 50. Then we erase this. Okay. Now, when we erase this, what we can do, we will be, here we can go CD row left, not here we can write like right, and here we can write like handle right arrow. Font size we write like that. Next, before not, here we can write like next. Now enter press. It is giving the error. Navigate, next icon, font size, here we can give perfect. Okay, now it is not giving me the error. Now, when your work is done till here, again paste it like that. Class name CD low, and here we can write like list area. And now, when our work is done till here, so we will be erasing that things. Okay. Now, what we can do, we will be erase this all thing like that. And now, here we can write like div class name CD row slash list style should be again enter margin left scroll x comma width items dot results dot length star 150. Then now here we can enter press items dot results dot length 0 and items dot results dot map item comma index. Okay. Now, when we write like item comma index x no index only, sorry, and then here we can write like this, then space, then we write like here that, then enter press. Okay. Then here we can write like img key index.id Sherek should be https://image.tmbd db.org/t/p/w300, then $, then item dot poster. Then now, when our work is done till here, so now what we can do, let me tell you, we write like here path. Now, when we write like path, so here we can give some space, then here we can write like alt, then item dot original title, then slash, then this. Then we write like here div. Then now when our work is done till here, 3 div. Okay. Then we write like this. Okay, 3 and then that. It is giving me the error like unchainable code detected. Let me see where it is giving me the error. Okay, like here navigate div class area 2 and it is good. Now let me tell you what we can do. Now we come on to our CD.draw codes. Let's start to write that. first of all CD row margin bottom 30 pixels dot CD row h2 margin 0 pixels 0 pixels 0 pixels 30 pixels dot CD row slash list area overflow X should be hidden. Padding left should be 30 pixels. Dot CD row slash list. Transition should be all easy 0.5 seconds. Dot CD row slash item. Display inline block. Then now here we can write like width 150 pixels, cursor should be pointer. Dot CD row item img width 100%, transform should be scale 0.9, transition should be all easy 0.2 seconds. Dot CD row slash item img hover, transform should be scale 1. Now again dot CD row left comma where is comma dot CD row slash right, position should be absolute, width 40 pixels, height 20-25 pixels, background color should be RGBA 0 0 0 0.6, Z index 99, display flex, justify content center, align item center, overflow hidden, then cursor pointer, opacity 0, transition all easy 0.2 seconds. Then now here we can write like dot CD row slash left, left should be 0, dot CD row slash right, right should be 0, dot CD row should be hover, dot CD row here we can write like left, dot CD row hover, dot CD right, opacity 1. Now we is convert into the responsive. So in responsive we write like media max width 760 pixels, dot CD row again slash left, dot CD row slash right, opacity 1. Okay, save from here. Now our CD codes are also done, and now we come on to our services.js. We already write this code, sorry, I'm writing another time. So now when our all work is done, so now let me tell you what you can do. We can go into the here. Okay, here we can go. Now here our all work is done, so now let me tell you what you can do. So now we save from here and we run it all things. Now we run from here, so let's reload it. Now I reload it, so now here you can see it. It is very easily I build it, and here you can see it, and it is very beautifully. And here you can also change your name, like when I will let me reload it. Here you can see it, I'm reloading it also, and now it is built it. And then you will also change your name. If you change your name and you write like here, like I'm writing like Rayan Beg. Ryan Bay. Here you can see it. And here you can see the movies are also will be changed it. And first of all, here you can see it. Then here you can see it, the movies Ozark, Watch, and here you can see it, Netflix originals. It is moving forward like that. It is moving backward. Down suggest for you. It is moving forward. It is moving backward. Top rated are also would be here. Forward, backward. Action, forward. It is also moving forward, backward. And comedy moving forward. Here you can see it. And there is a very new movies and romance and documentary. And here this last is the footer. You will also change your name or name. Okay. And here is in Netbar there is Netflix logo. And when you clicking here, it is take loading. And then the movies will be changed. Here you can see the movies come Lucifer. Here you can see it, the movies are changing like that. Here you can see it, click, movie change, click, movie change, click, movie change, click, movie change. Here you can see it, the movies are changing like that. Here you can see it, and it is very beautifully I will be made it. And if you want the videos like that, please comment me. And here you can see we build it. Now let me show you into the responsive. In responsive, I'll show you in iPhone 12 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max. In iPhone 14 Pro Max, when you click here, here we can go. Okay. Now, in iPhone 14 Pro Max, when you click here, the movies are changed and come down Netflix originals. It is moving forward. It is moving forward. It is moving here. You can see it, top rated actions are also in this Netflix actions movies. Comedy movies are also include. Horror movies, romance movies, documentary movies are also included here. And if you want this types of videos, so please comment me. Here you can see it in responsive. It is looking like that. And watch. When you click onto the watch, so you will become onto the Netflix real website. Means you come onto the Netflix official page. Here you can see it. It is the Netflix official page. You will become. Here you can see it. Now we come on to which we made. Here you can see it. This is that we made it, and where you are changing movies. Here you can see it. So we built this Netflix clone using JavaScript, React, and CSS, and some of the HTML also. So now I hope you can enjoy this class, and if you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friends, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. And here you can see it. And if you want to a project on Django and Python, so please tell me in the comment if you want. So I will build it for you or any language. Okay. So here you can see it. I built this Netflix clone using JavaScript and React. So now here you can see. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, like, subscribe, and share my video with your friends, neighbors, brothers, and sisters, and your family members. Okay. Here you can see it. We built this and tell me in the comment how's my performance is going, how's my videos, and how is my editing, all things. Please tell me. And now tell me in the next week which type of big project I will be build it for you. Please tell me in the next video into the next week. Okay, so now for today, goodbye.